What is going on? It is Matty V here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ninja star. So these things are a ton of fun. They're a ton of fun to make whenever you're bored. They're a ton of fun to go ahead and have battles with your friends. Would suggest maybe wearing some eye protection since these are pretty sharp, and you don't want anybody to get hurt like that because that's not a good time. So go ahead, throw these on the side. First step, what you're going to need is you're going to need a piece of paper. Any type. I'm using printer paper right now, just regular printer paper. You're going to go ahead and you're just going to fold this up like that. And it's best to make sure that you're trying to get your folds as perfect as possible. That way you get your best result. Simple as that. So you're going to go ahead and fold this like this because we need to get this in two different pieces. And then you're going to fold it back because we're not going to cheat and use scissors. So then you're going to do that. You're going to do that a couple different times until that's weak enough, until you can tear it apart easily without damaging the main body. Alright, and now we are back again. So next what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and make these into triangles. I know, that sounds crazy, like rectangles into triangles, I know. But what we're going to do is, what I like to do first with the head is go ahead and point out, the factory ends. And what you want to do is you want to use those to do this. That way you get your batch just in case if you messed it up and you're folding there and you didn't get enough tear and you ended up messing up. And you can go ahead and just use those factory sides so you get at least your best result. It's all about your best result, but it's also about having fun with it. So just go ahead and have fun with it first. So then you're going to go ahead and do that, and then you're going to fold this end up. You're going to try to get this as perfect. This is kind of a pain to get, good, but try to get as best as you can. There you go. And then go ahead and do it like you did when you're splitting this whole piece of paper into half. You're going to go ahead and fold it on back. And you're going to do that a couple more times until this is weak enough again, and until you can just tear it easily. And then we'll be back and I'll show you the next step.
Hey everybody, are you tired of traditional cleaning? Then build yourself a ninja star with Matty V's How To Ninja Star. It didn't work that time. Hey, but that's okay, because Matty V's Ninja Star works half the time guaranteed. So let's get ready to see this in action. Get ready, gotta aim it on up. Make sure you get real superior method here. You're gonna have to get it down pat and bam, boom, and you're clean. So go ahead and subscribe to this dude's channel because he's got good content for you. See you later, everybody.
Alrighty, now that you have your two triangles here, what we're going to do next is you're going to throw one to the side. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And you're going to fold that down. And then once again, just make sure you go ahead and get this as perfect as possible. It'll pay off in the end. Mine's going to be a little rough, and you'll see that at the end because mine were not perfect as possible. And you'll have it like that, and then you'll fold this in half. That way you get your middle crease. That way you know where you're gonna have to kind of have your next fold at. So get that real nice and showy there. Then open this back up, and then where this crease line is right there, that is where you're gonna fold up on. And then you're going to, of course, have this going to go straight up your middle line there. Go ahead and take that, fold it up, then take this one and fold it down. Go ahead and flip it over and fold these into triangles here. Make sure you get this, and this is good to make sure you get your best points that you can, because the best points you have here will really pay off in the next step. There you go with that one, and then I like to just take this, fold them back, like that, fold them back like that, and then go ahead and just give it kind of like a press down, just to make sure all the folds are kind of nicer and whatnot. Open it up, and then set it off to the side, and then take your next one, go ahead, fold down. And then you're going to go ahead and fold that in half again. Like that. Open that bad boy up. And then you're going to see your crease line again. And then you're going to fold that on that again. And boom, bada bang. You got that one done now. Flip it on over, fold these into nice points again. You'll see right here like this. It's not going to make a nice point at all. So that one's going to be a little bit rough, but that's okay. It happens. And the more you do this, the more and more you do it, the better it's going to be. And the more you practice getting those best folds, the perfect folds, and that's going to really pay off for you in the end. So go ahead and give that inner press down. And then now that we have these two like that, our next step is you're going to go ahead and take one of these. I like to take this one, flip it on over, put it on top of this one, open up the flap, stick it in, open up the flap, stick it in, flip it over like that. And then go ahead, tuck that in, and go ahead. It's best to have your best points on the back, because if you mess up, then these are kind of the harder folds to do sometimes with different papers. But that went together pretty nicely, so it's better to have your nice point for the back one, especially the second one, because that can be very hard sometimes depending on your paper. But there you go, you got yourself a Ninja Star, so you can go out and you can have fun and do whatever you want with them. But if you like videos like these and you want to see more from me, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see for another video. I'd like to know. And have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.